Hello, today we will be showing you how to put your Levado height adjustable desk together. Place the base face down. Lift and fold the legs out until they click. Lock the legs into place by pushing down on the levers. Have someone help you lift and flip the base upright. The base is now assembled and ready to be installed with or without VersaTop clamps. Gather a Phillips screwdriver or power drill, a measuring tape or ruler, and an extra pair of hands to help you with some lifting. Place your desktop face down on a soft, clean surface. Lift and place the base onto the desktop. Check that the top supports on each side are flush with both ends of the desk. If the base does not meet the width of the desktop, adjust the base by loosening the 8 screws on the inward side of the cross channels. Expand or contract the cross channels and retighten the screws in the desired position. Install the cable management while the desktop is face down. Position the cable tray in the center of the desktop towards the rear. Attach the cable tray using the 4 M6 Phillips head screws. Make sure the open end faces the rear. Using 2 people, lift and place the desktop onto the base. Check that the top supports on each side are flush to both ends of the desktop. Refer to your manual for spacing requirements. Then take the clamps and slide one onto each side of the desktop. To secure them, you're going to tighten the thumb screws until you hear them click. Attach the control paddle by peeling off the adhesive backing and place in your preferred position. Press and hold for a few seconds to ensure that it's secure. You may also attach this with included screws. Plug in the power cable and control paddle to the base of the desk. Use the additional cable management as needed and be careful that the cables don't interfere with the desk operation. Now your Levado height adjustable desk is almost ready to use. Begin the initialization process by pressing and holding down the paddle and M button simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding the buttons and the legs will move down to their lowest position. Then rebound a few millimeters up and stop. You can now release both buttons together. To program height settings, simply press the M button to toggle between the 2 users, which will display as U1 or U2. Raise or lower the desk to the desired spot. Now press and hold the M button for 2 seconds, and you'll see the LED display blink. This is confirmation that your setting has been stored and saved. To erase your storage settings, simply hold the M button for 8 seconds until the LED displays CLR. To change the display units from inches to centimeters, hold the paddle in the up and down position simultaneously for around 10 seconds. Enjoy adding movement to your workday with the most versatile height adjustable desk. Levado from Fellows.